One of the most sleek theme in Shopify is the Spotlight theme. Now, if you want to remove the cat icon from the Shopify header in your Spotlight theme from this to this, I'm going to teach you in this video tutorial. Now, let's get straight to the video tutorial. The first thing you want to do is to come here to your online store, all right? And you want to come here to Themes, and right here in Themes, you want to look for Spotlight, okay? Which will be your default theme, okay? Or if not, whatever. Just look for Spotlight, or you can go to your theme library. You say that. Then you want to come to Customize. You hit on Customize. And the moment you hit on Customize, you're going to land right here. So the only thing you want to do is to just copy and paste. That is all. And what are you going to copy and paste? The first thing you want to come here to your header, which will be this, okay? Then you scroll down to this custom CSS and you just have to copy a line of code. Now, don't forget, it is just copy and paste. Even a grandma can do this. So I'm going to give you a doc file, which will be this, all right? And you just want to copy this code, which the title says to remove using CS, okay? And you copy that, come back to the customization tab and paste. And whoa, yup, that's all. You see, it's no longer there, all right? As you can see, once you do that, just go ahead, click and save, and you are good to go. How about if you want to hide it? There is another trick also. If you don't want to use this trick, maybe there is a reason why you don't want to use your custom CSS. Maybe you already have something there already before. And let me give you another trick to use to hide it, all right? As you see, the moment I remove the code, it is back. So the moment you paste that code, just go ahead, hit on save, and you're good to go. However, let us use another trick. So just go back and come here to this three dotted line that you see right here, the one along the line of Spotlight, drop the straight line, and you click on edit code. Click that. Now, while it is loading, let's go back to the doc file, which I'm going to give to you. And you want to scroll down and you want to look for this code that says to hide it using base. So it's also simple, something a grandma can do. Yep. So now click here and copy and go back. Go back. Oh, it's still loading. Let's wait for it to finish loading. So the page is loaded, the editor, and you want to come here to Spotlight Assets. Then you want to click on base.cs and you want to scroll down to the last part. Scroll down to the last part. And like this, the last part, as you see, I'm just going to paste this code, okay, which I just copied. You can see it's the last part of this file, and just paste it there. And please make sure that you save. It is very important. I've seen someone complain before and the person didn't save. So save, and once you save and I go back, you see it is no longer there. Okay, so this is exactly how you can do this, just by hiding using the base CSS. So this is exactly the two ways that you can use to remove or hide your cart icon from your Shopify Spotlight theme, all right? And another way also is using the custom liquid, okay? So let me remove that. So let me remove this. If I remove this and hit on save and I go back, you see, it's gonna show. You see, it's loaded immediately and it's back. So I can easily just go to this add section, okay? And I can, let me first see, can I add custom liquid as a block? Okay, it's not available in this theme, but I can add it as a section. So in the header section, just click on custom liquid, okay? And select custom liquid and click on it again to select, and come here to this doc file again. And you're gonna see using CL, which is to remove using CL, which is custom liquid. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy this code here. So you see, everything is just copy and paste. What up? It's very simple. Okay, so I'm gonna paste this like this, and yup, you see, it's removed. So this is exactly how you can do this using the custom liquid. But for some reason, I don't know, whatever one you want to go for, I'm giving you 3 methods now that you can use, which are sure to work for you. So if this video has been helpful, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button. It's very important. And also turn on the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I drop new video tutorials like this in this channel. It is very important. I'm doing this for you guys, so please support me by subscribing to the channel. Till another time, and also like this video and share it with your friends and family. Until another time, I'll see you in the video tutorial. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.